So now let's say I'm going to go around and tell ChatGPT to go to generate out an article. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say write a two paragraph of a story about a boy in Yangon right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then you can see that it writes down the story right here. But if I were to take this out onto an AI detector, then what happens is that it will simply it'll simply go around and detect it out as AI right here. But if I were to go around and copy this out, what I can also do in ChatGPT is let it generate a more human language. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you can go around and scroll down, and over here you will be able to see AI Humanizer as an option. So if I were to go around and utilize this right here, so if I were to go to AI Humanizer and click on Start right here, then what happens is that it says please provide below the AI text to humanize right here. So if I were to go around and then paste this out right here and then send, then what happens is that it analyzes this particular text right here, and then it humanizes the text so that any AI detector cannot actually detect it. But you do need to go around and connect it out with your email. So let me just go around and sign up with my Google account that I have right here. So let's just go around and click on continue around over here, just like this, and then click on connect over here, just like this. So once I do that, it is connected, as you can see right here, and now you can confirm to send this particular text onto the AI Humanizer right here, just like this. So now it's talking to the plugin, as you can see right here, and then it regenerates out this particular text. So now over here you can see that it says, in the bustling city of Yangon, a boy named Ang spent his days navigating vibrant street. So now over here you can see that it was one early morning in busy Yangon, filled with contrasts of century-old pagodas mixed in with recent built skyscrapers. Ang was supposed to help his mother set up their tiny tea shop down in the cramped small alleyway every morning. There was a smell of fresh samosas and sweet tea, all carried on the breeze that early morning air brought in. So you can see that it rearranges out, that is, it rephrases out the content that you have right here. And then what happens is that it simply goes around and rearranges it so that the language is more human. And if you were to go around and put this into AI detector, then it'll say that it is human. So that is how you can utilize the AI Humanizer plugin inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.